Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everybody. Thanks for joining. Hope everyone had an amazing weekend. Hope everyone had an amazing holiday for those who got off for Memorial Day. Good morning, everybody. I hope you guys are ready. And that begs the question. Are you ready? Are you ready to make some bamboo? Let's get it, pandas. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Let's get it. Let's get it, shall we? Drop those GMs in the chat. Mercy Trans, good morning. Tate, good morning. Bill 7, scalp that like button. I appreciate it. Sherman, good morning. Everyone, drop those GMs in the chat. Drop those GMs in the chat. Hope everyone's doing well this morning. Let's be patient, yeah, pandas? That's the plan. Be patient. Let the setups come to us. Don't get too excited with trends. Be vigilant. Double key areas. Let's stick to the thing about double key areas is that you'll get like a setup every once, or maybe 1 or 2 setups a day. And that's the plan. 1 to 2 trades a day, and it might not even happen during the stream. That's probably the nice thing about one setup trading is that it's simple. The hard part about one setup trading is that you sometimes need to stare at the charts for 8 hours a day just for that one setup, you know what I mean? Good morning, everybody. Drop those GMs in the chat. Good morning. Hope everyone had an amazing weekend. We are ready to go. I'm excited. We are back live at it again. It's not even Monday. It's TGIT. Thank God it's Tuesday. Where are we? Market's going to explode. Explode to the upside. Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. We're in. And we got crushed. We just got crushed right off the bat. Right off the rip, getting crushed. Oh, really got crushed. Okay. That didn't go as planned. Not at all. Not at all. That did not go as planned. Not at all. Are we still looking for a long trade is a question that I do not know. If you made $250 a day per contract, nah, you need only $200. 250s, you only need 200 per day to make $1 million across 20 accounts. The calculation's simple, pandas. Because 200 times 20, which is 20 accounts, then multiply that by 250. So 400 times 250, 1 million. So I got you short here. Okay. That second just short fails. There's all sorts of confusing here. I want to be vigilant for my next trade. I already lost 5 hundo. I don't want to lose any more than that. It's getting choppy now. Sitting on my pause. I went straight to Chop City. What's the news this week, pandas? Let's check. This week, what do we got? It's only a 4-day trading week. We got Thursday PCE numbers. Could be decent. Could be a decent big move. Thursday. Honestly, I don't know if these news events really affect the markets, because I think the market only is waiting for war news. That's the only thing that really moves the markets. Well, we're finding ourselves, all-time highs, right? So you can't really complain. The only thing scary about this market is the national debt, right, and inflation. The Fed is between a rock and a hard place, because inflation is red hot. So, and the economy is suffering. You wouldn't think it's suffering, but it's suffering. Wow. What do we do here? We're still within the first 5-minute candle. I could try. I don't love it though. It's a little far away from the 20 EMA. I'm going to sit on my pause here. If it was a little closer, I might consider it, but... And we just came from this chop, so I'm not sure. We just came from the chop, so it... Obviously, it's breaking down. Hindsight bias. Hindsight 2020. Would have been an okay trade to enter. Obviously, after the fact... Oh, Ms. Lane. Okay. Another first entry. Are the institutions pushing this down? I don't know. Okay. Fail second entry long on the 2500 tick. It may interest me. 2500 tick, creating a fail second entry long here. And we're kind of creating a cup and handle, right? Cup and handle here. Inverted cup and handle. I may be interested. Ooh, I think I gotta try. Let's try. I'll take a second entry short here. Otherwise, I gotta just wait for this setup. I think the risk reward is good here, potentially. Second entry short. Okay. Could be a really good risk reward here. The signal bar was better. I'll probably be a little more aggressive here. The signal bar was better. I would have been more aggressive, I think. If we had a better signal bar, I would have been more aggressive. Yeah, the signal bar messed it all up. It's a trading range instead. We're going to get burned here. It's all good. So that's the first time I've been burned. The question is, do I want to try short again? If it's a good signal bar, I'd consider it. Signal bar is not particularly good. All right. This signal bar also not particularly good. It doesn't look like it's going to push down. If it pushes down here, not much you can do. That's a bad signal bar. 20 EMA right, like going up as well. Need a little more evidence. That's brutal. 2 in a row. We're 0-2, pandas. I hope you guys are doing better than me. Hope you're all doing better than I am. I mean, if this pushes down, not much you can do about it. It's just hard. Hard to time at that point. Because it's showing signs of reversal here. What is going on? 1 second, pandas. Cool. Fair enough. You can try here. Again, for the good risk reward, L4 setup. We may get burned, but it might be worth it for the risk reward. Very small risk, very good reward here. And it seems like the probability is just a little too small here. Why am I still not copying? Oh, I gotta see. Owie, alright. That's 0-3, pandas. 0-3 right now. It's brutal. It is brutal. 0-3. It really wants to stop me out. It really does want to stop me out. That's brutal. It really wants to stop me out. I mean, I had a couple chances to come out break even, but I mean, as long as the trade was still viable, I felt like it's worth a try. Okay, we're not going short. The risk reward was good, but probability is not there. It's not breaking down. Many chances to break down, and it's not. So I may switch my gears, go long. Like, so many chances to break down, never did. Time to go long. Okay, not like that. Like, many chances to break down, never did, so I'm thinking maybe going long now. Multiple chances to break down, never did it. Can't retrace this first entry. It looks like a strong push to the upside now. Yeah, I mean, it failed. It failed like multiple times to break down. I tried 2 times, and obviously didn't work out for those 2 times. All good. And now the market's doing the opposite. So like it had this setting up a cup and handle to break to the downside, and plenty of gaps underneath to fill. And I thought that with a failed second entry long here, it would trigger, and it tried to trigger, tried to create one, but it didn't do it. Now instead, it's just going right back up, and could just be bull trend. Right? It failed to break down, so in my mind, I'm like, this is probably turned to a bull trend. Had an X, like a juicy spot to break down, and it didn't do it. So that means like even with a good setup for the bears, the bulls were so confident that they just bought it. They didn't care. And now it's pushing to the other way. Right, you just take the hit, move on. Just take the hit, move on. All first entries here. Every first entry a good trade here. I don't know. I don't know. When you're this far away from 20 EMA, it's always a bit scary to just jump in. All right. So 50-50 chance that the first 5-minute candle reverses. Very strong bear bar ending on near its low. And then 50-50 chance it reverses back up. So now we're back up. It feels like it's more than 50-50. It feels like it's like a 60% chance. All first entries here is blasting off. So the fact that this couldn't break down, it just made it super bullish. I thought the risk reward was good to push this to the downside, so I tried twice. Coming back to the 20 EMA here. $20 days a month. Yeah, I mean, it's 250 trading days a year. Because there's more than like 4 weeks in a month, right? Because 30, 31 divided by 7 is more than 4. So at the end, it's about 250 trading days. Right, minus weekends, minus, right, 365 minus weekends, and minus holidays. Ends up being around 250. Another first entry doesn't quite get to the 20 EMA, which is where I would have been more interested in going long. If instead it gets close to it and doesn't actually get there. I may just go long here. I would like it to get the the second entry, but I don't think I'm gonna get it. Most likely gonna blast off without me. Yeah, triggers. So now we got another first entry to think about. Looking for just like a 1-to-1 on this setup. 2 bull bars in a row, looking juicy for me. Okay, I'll take it. I'll take anything right now, pandas. I mean, we got a dub in the books. We're 1-3 right now, I think. Yeah, 1-3. It's just a 1-to-1 on this first entry. Typically, I would wait to get to the previous day's close, right? The holiday close. But I just been burned too many times. I'm just taking my 1-to-1s, my 1-to-2s. I don't even care if it doesn't hit a target like that. Like the key areas. Key areas are too unreliable. They have been too unreliable lately. So I'm just going to take my 1-to-1s. I'm cutting myself short, but it's all good. Okay. I mean, this is going to be a all-time high right here. Looks like we're creeping to it. We want to test the holiday high. Fair enough. Are we going to double top off of it? Is the question. Quite possibly. Probably not, though, right? Okay. Okay. Second entry long, pandas. We're gonna get it here. Oh, should I crank it here, pandas? Do we crank our second entry long? It doesn't really make the double key areas here. Doesn't really fit the criteria for double key areas. Outside bar reversal. I'm sitting pause. Outside bar reversal on a bad signal bar. It's fine. If we miss this, if this explodes, it explodes. Not much you can do about it. It's a bad setup right now. It's a second entry long, but bad signal bar, outside bar. It is with trend, and it's not double key area, so it's okay to skip here, but the FOMO, right? The FOMO's real. Like, you're thinking most likely, oh, okay, maybe a good skip here. Maybe a good skip. If we get back to the 20 EMA, it gives me another chance for second entry long here. Okay, good skip, I think. Regardless, it's a good skip, even if it worked out or not, because of all the things, you know, all the price action. First entry could be another way for people to get in here. Being patient here, pandas. Very patient here. Being very patient here. Doji bar. Ugh. Okay. Well then. Well then. Massive bear bars. Well then, I guess I'm not going long. And it looks like a trading range. A big old trading ranges. Yeah, I mean, you gotta be a madman to go long here. You have to be a madman to go long right here. You have to be a madman to go long right there, yeah? Such a strong rejection off a key area. Let's see what glorious things are behold. Okay. I got chopped. I really got chopped there. I thought that, you know, it retested and came back down. I thought it would come back down. Got chopped. 0-4 or 1-4 now. Jeez. Back to it. Smallest baby risk ever. It's just gone short there. The smallest risk ever. Now the risk is bigger, but probability is better. Maybe. It's bear bar. I don't know. Sure, why not? Give it to me, baby. What you doing up there? What you doing up there? Just a pullback, huh? Fair enough. Going back to the previous day's close. Back and forth, back and forth. Yuck. 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 Yuckers. What is that? Okay. I don't know. See my pause. Second entry short works out. Fails a trap and then second entry short works. Okay, fair enough. Fails a trap with a second entry short works on a bad signal bar. And bad like price action is an outside bar here. This creates an outside bar, right? First breaks the upside, then the downside. Hoo-wee! I thought we were going to push down here, but I ended up pushing down a little bit later. I'm a little too late on my moves. Second entry short forming here. I'll probably take a fail second entry. I'll probably take a fail second entry here. It ends up being a double key area too. I didn't see that. Maybe fail second entry short here. I'll take it. That or another bull bar. If you get another bull bar above the 20 man, I may just go long. Forget the setup. If it's another bull bar and another bull bar, I may have to just go long. It is a bull bar, but not too strong. At this point, I actually want my setup now because, well, we got a bear bar. I actually want my setup now. If it breaks out, it breaks out. I'd rather wait for my setup at this point. Okay, here it is. I think it's a good trade. If we lose, we lose. Fair enough. I think it's a good enough trade to try, at least. Nice push up. Nice initial push up. Can we get more is a question. Can we get more is a question. Little spike up. Double top maybe. Maybe trying to double top here. I'm trying, pandas. I'm holding and I'm trying. I'm not sure if we're going to get what I want. I'm not sure if we're going to actually get what I want here. We're just holding. Another bull bar is worth holding here, but these bull bars have no follow through. We get a nice bull bar, but we got to hold through that, I think. But I don't know. We'll see. I think we hold. If it reverses here, it's just the name of the game, you know what I mean? Right, 2 bull bars in a row, then another bull bar for our higher low. You're thinking it's going to push up. Another bull bar. If it reverses, that's just, the market's just diabolical, you know what I mean? If it reverses here, the market's just diabolical. Yeah, market's just diabolical here. It's not lifting off where I want it to. This might be a double top. Might not get what I want here. It's a second entry long now. Goodness gracious. Why now? I don't want a second entry long. This could fail. The second entry long could fail now. This could reverse. Hold. We're holding. If this breaks out, this could be a nice push to the upside. I would love it. I would love that. Can we get it? I'll just take it here. Easy peasy. I'll just take it there. I just don't care. I don't care if I hit my target or not. I just want some bamboo. You know what I mean, Panis? Easy peasy. It just looked good. It looked good for the long. So I just held. You know, when you get two bull bars like this, and then another bull bar, you're thinking, yeah, like, this has everything it needs to push up. And then it does this, you're like, okay, still bullish. And then does that, and you're like, Then does this, you're like, now it's choppy. And it does break out and start to reverse a little bit here. I guess I took a good profit there. And another bull bar here. Let's see what happens. I don't know. This could push. It could break out here. Yeah. It's taking a couple pullbacks to break out, but it's breaking out. It's fine. I don't mind. For a potential, it made a new all-time high right there. If we couldn't stay above it, could double top here and have a strong reversal. Could have a double top here, strong reversal. I'm ready for anything. Try not to be as greedy as I've been in the last couple months. Saw a 29-point trade with 2 contracts. Not too shabby. We're only up 255, but remember our record is what, 2-5 now. So we lost 5, but won twice, but we're green, which is great. Great news for me. I love that. But the trade setup was good, right? You had 2 pushes down. That's the push I wanted. That's the spike I wanted. I wish it happened earlier, but it took a while to actually happen, so a little too late for me. Right? It took a little too long to do that. And the reason why, when I say it's a little too long, is because in the last 2 months, every time I waited for this thing, after multiple pushes up, I would always get stopped out break even or just lose a trade altogether. And then the last 2 months has been characterized by that. And it's the exact same idea where we're close to this key area, close to a breakout area, and I'm trying to build up a position. And every time I do, market just has deep retracements and takes me out. It's just been doing that a lot. So I'm trying to just take my profits early, scalp out, and if it does a spike, it's fine. I'm going to miss a spike, but at least if it reverses, I made some profit. You know what I mean? Second entry long here. It's not the prettiest second entry long. It's an outside bar reversal. It's a hidden second entry long. A little bit choppy now. Okay. Okay. Too long or not too long? That is the question. I think I want to wait for the 5 minute to finish. This is sketchy. Very suspicious. This is very suspicious. Okay. Now we're closing beneath the all-time high, the previous all-time high. I'm guess I'm ready for a double top, pandas. Let's do it. Let's do it. Are you two-legging the market today? Of course, of course, of course, of course. Two-legged pullbacks and fail second entry long or second entries and fail second entries. My bread and butter. I'm gonna reload all historical because I don't want to be tempted to jump in anything here. I just don't know what's happening, so I'm just gonna reload the historical so I have an excuse to not jump into trade here. Let's just wait for a little more price action to form here. I'm thinking possible double top. We'll see. Oh, I see. Interesting. Okay. Maybe. 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 When I say maybe, I'm talking about a double top here. Maybe. Just maybe. Congrats, Oscar, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining. Now it's getting super suspicious. Like, I don't know if this is gonna keep pushing higher or if it needs a big retracement first before pushing higher. This is all sorts of confusing. Okay. So many overlapping bars. It's quite confusing, actually. I'm thinking fail second entry long. We're at a key area and we're about to create one, I think. So I mean, it could be a Pikachu. This triggers. All right, no longer, still Pikachu. And a Pikachu. I haven't used that term in a while, but we might get a Pikachu here. I guess, yeah. Fail second entry long. Let's try. Let's get ready to rumble. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. I need to break the previous candle's high. Come to Papa. There it is. All conditions are met for this setup. Let's try. I mean, this could be a strong bull trend day today, which is fine by me. But if this reversal happens, this could be a monster. Hard to go short against this candle, yeah? Definitely hard to go short against this massive bull bar. I gotta try. I think I gotta try. Okay. So when it does this, it's kind of a blessing because even though you don't get your setup, when your setup disappears, at least you know that's not to take it anymore. It's a blessing, right? Where the market makes it very easy for you to decide what to do, which is just don't do it. Which I feel at peace. If we're not going down, I guess we're going up, yeah? If we're not going down, I guess we're going up. Bon voyage, pandas. Thoughts and prayers. Here we go. Oof, that's crazy. That is absolutely nutsos. All right, we're in. I don't know. I think I lose. You can kind of tell right away. In the first like few ticks, you kind of know if you entered a good trade or not. And the first few ticks are telling me that is not good news for me. That is muy not good for me. And yeah, it's a small risk trade. The fail second entry short here above the all-time high. Okay, we still got life in us. We still got life. We still got breath in our lungs. Let's try, pandas. Let's try. We are still golden here. Okay, now we're dead. We're certainly dead with this candle. We're still alive. I don't know how we're still in this trade, but whatever. The candles are all ugly. It's not breaking the previous candle's high. I mean, it almost did. Almost did. I guess I could came up break even a couple times. I had one chance, two chance come up break even. But for me, we didn't get stopped out, so I'm just thinking, you know, if I like extended my stop loss and then it like went beneath here and then went back up, then maybe I'll come up break even. But you know, my stop loss is not very far away. It's a very small risk here, so I don't mind losing this, but to win it, it will be pretty nice. Pretty good. I don't mind losing this. Okay. High chance we lose this now. Such a high chance we lose this. I'll just take the hit and move on, but golly. That's annoying, right? Many times I tried to reverse and they came right back up, so I thought, why let it go when you're still having it stopped out? Like, for instance, if this breaks this high, like, why let it go? Like, might as well let it see what happens. Okay, we're pushing up. Might as well see what happens here. Had a lot of building up here. Right, it failed to fail, essentially. So, it could be a juicy move to the upside. It failed to fail, essentially, right? It's not really lifting off. Like, I needed to lift off, and it's not really doing it. Like, I needed that to lift off, and it's just not lifting off. Yeah, it was supposed to lift off here, and it just didn't do it, so we're dead. I'll be surprised if it don't get stopped out right now. Yeah, okay. That's what I thought. Like, it was supposed to lift off. Oh, interesting. I lost a lot more on that one than I should have. I think I'm doubled up here somewhere. No, I'm not. Interesting. Why do I feel like I lost so much more on that than I should have? I was up 200, yeah, $500. Like, it should have lifted off. It should have lifted off right there, but it didn't. So I you know, it's all good. It's getting very choppy here, very suspicious. I gotta wait for this to break out. Though it's gonna be annoying because you're probably gonna miss a big move. It's at a point where it's very hard to time, and it's just going in and out of the previous all-time high and also the 20 MA. So you're thinking more likely trading range than not. I could have came up break even here, but like I said, my stop wasn't too far away. What's my risk here? 15-point risk is fine. And it pushes up again here, and it's just, I don't know, it's not really doing much. But the fact that this failed to lift off here makes me feel like this could be dead. This move to the upside, it could be dead. Struggling here. Higher low? Is it worth it? Let me work it. Is it worth it? This feels choppy still, right, pandas? Like this chop begets more chop. We're in a trading range, creating another trading range. Like I said, it's just hard to time here. If it lifts off, it breaks out here. It is what it is. It's just very hard to time. Like every trade is like suspicious. You just don't know. It could break out here. I mean, it's fine if it does. Just not. I already got chopped one time, so I'm gonna wait for this to cook a little bit. Okay, looks like it takes me out like almost perfectly break even before lifting off, and I mean that's just the norm, isn't it? That's just the norm at this point. Okay, fail second shoot short maybe. Could try if I still think this is super bullish. It's a trading range within trading range. Now we're lifting off. There we go. That's the move I wanted. It took me. It just had to retrace and take me out one time before it's lifting off here. And you know what can you do about it? It is what it is. I would have loved to have been part of this move. I tried to be part of it here, but had one retracement before it really broke off, and that retracement got me. And not really a good setup afterwards. If this was a fail second just short, I would consider going long here, but we're a little bit far away. I can try here. It's a silly goose trade, but I don't know. I feel like this is just a FOMO trade at this point. Nah, I don't love it. I want to trade I love. Like, I like this trade. Not bad, right? Feels like I just short. Okay. I mean, it didn't even trigger, so I would have been okay in that. Okay. I get a really strong bull bar here. On the 2500 tick. With no follow through whatsoever. It's the opposite. It reverses. Starting to turn to a limit order market here. Gotta be very careful, limit order markets. I could try, but multiple bear bars in a row here. It's a really dumb trade. Do not do this trade, man. This is a really bad trade. Do not take this trade. Do not copy my trades. I most likely will lose this. I have like a 60% chance I lose this, I feel like. 40% chance it does a nice push to the upside. Yeah, I lose this. Yeah, dumb trade, like I said. Very dumb trade. Same about coming out break even there. I don't know what's happening here. I gotta just be okay losing this trade. I mean, it comes back down now. I don't think I want to stick around and find out what happens. I'll just take the second entry long if it comes back down now. Know what I mean, Panis? If it comes back down now, I might as well just take the second entry long because most likely it would trigger. Okay, make a new all-time high here. Hopefully this could just fly and not have deep retracements. Hopefully we can just keep adding to this. We'll see. If there's another strong bull bar, I'm holding. Okay, holding. It's a strong bull bar. I gotta hold. Cracks above. Previous candle's high. Hard time sustaining above it. Another bull bar. I'm gonna protect my profits here. I'm protecting my profits here. There's 7. Protecting my profits here. What's a tick? What's a tick or two? What's a tick or two? Yeah, I'm protecting my profits here, Pandas.
Target filled.
Pandas! Wow, I mean that was brutal. I thought I was gonna lose that for sure. I really thought I was gonna lose that. Had a couple key areas to bounce off. Feels like I just short. Terrible signal bar, but you know, breakout, retest, trend line, and 20 EMA all lined up, and I felt like bad signal bar, but worth it because of the context. And could have held, I guess. I'm just not in a place where I'm holding, right? I'm not in a place where I'm swing trading much because I've been burned time and time again swing trading. So, of course, like it's going to be hard for me to swing trade. Like any other day other than today, if I had just let this reverse and try to wait for another push up, this would have took me out break even. Like it's almost a guarantee. It's been doing that last 3 months. The fact that it's not doing that, this is the fact that it's this. Basically, the market's doing what I typically expect it to do, and what basically helped me make like tens of thousands of dollars earlier this year. It's doing it. It's doing it today. This is the thing I've always that I wait for. This little pop up, the last final push, before you want it to exhaust, and this is the exhaustion I'm looking for before taking my profits. And it just never just really did that before. Now it's doing it at these new all-time highs. So maybe I can change my strategy back to how I was before, just being aggressive and adding on to my positions, right, scaling up. But I don't know. I'm kind of liking the fact that I'm making just profits, like pretty consistent profits right now. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. I don't mind taking these profits. Is that the exhaustion? 2500 tick chart seems to suggest this is a limit order market. When you have a strong bull bar with a reversal like that strong, it could mean that the limit order bears are getting stronger. To start to reverse this or turn to a trading range. The strong reversals after strong bull bars are a very marquee sign of trading range price action starting to develop, right? Quite amazing. This is the 5-minute chart is just 2 legs up. It's just 1 and then pull back and then 2, right? 2 legs up. That's all it is so far. It's just 2 legs. This is flying. First entry off the 20 May. It did not care it reversed on a dime like that. It did not care. It looked like an exhaustive move at the very end. The market's still bullish here. They don't care. This is moving though. I'll tell you what, the daily chart, the weekly chart. The weekly chart, basically, this is the first pullback on this super strong bull trend on the weekly chart. Could get a measure move up on the weekly. Yeah, it's just insano mode right now. Golly. Am I looking for a second entry long? I don't know. It's getting weird. Okay, first entry makes a new high, so no second entry long. Just watching, just waiting. Waiting, waiting. Eventually, the 5 minutes going to pull back. Eventually, it's going to either turn to a trading range or pull back, and maybe at 12 or something. I don't know. Like, it has to come back to the 20 EMA eventually. The 5 minute chart, the regular trading hours, eventually will come back to the 20 EMA. Either get close to it or, break through it. I mean, this might be caused of Warsh coming in and people pretty much expecting him to be just a hand puppet for Trump, and lowering interest rates is most likely going to happen. It's gonna be anticipating that. Knowledge. When's the last time you had whiskey like on stream? It's been a long time. I mean, I had whiskey like this weekend. Gotta celebrate, all of the war heroes. Most likely 5 minutes ago. This is Flying High, Pandas, and I'm just a spectator here. I could jump in and try to do a little, hero scalp. I could do a hero scalp and just try. But it just feels like, roulette table, you got like 10 blacks in a row. You're just kind of getting a little bit worried, you know what I mean? Getting a little bit worried that the next one's going to be red. But you just keep betting on black anyways. That's what it feels like. Really dumb trade to go long on the first entry here. Okay, we got 2 bear bars in a row now? Yeah, 2 bear bars in a row now. Alright, I'll let it cook. I wanted to come back to 20 man at least. Pandas, I've been muted this whole time. Sorry. I was saying that uh, I've just been one pullback too early in my trades. Right, this is second entry long, and the reason why I took this trade, most importantly, was the trend line and 20 EMA, right, double key area, and what ended up happening was my original stop loss was right here. My original stop loss was right here. And because I added my position, I raised my stop loss to up here. And that's what ended up me missing this move, because if I had my original stop loss, so what ended up making me miss this move was when I added my position, my risk got too big. So I had to bring my stop loss closer to make up for the extra risk I'm taking, and or the extra leverage I'm taking. And that ultimately made me miss this. And this second entry long, same idea, right? Double key areas again, trend line 20 MA, and it ends up being a nice, beautiful push to the upside. And I missed it all, unfortunately. I'm happy with my 270 profit. It's not too bad. My other accounts I'm up like 1,000, so it's pretty good. This is now entering territory where it's hard for me just to jump long now. It's so late in trend. It's so incredibly late in trend now. I don't know. Let's just jump long here. Let's just jump long here and see what happens. It's a pure FOMO trade. I gotta let this cool down, right? Look at the 5-minute. Hasn't had a pullback since back here. It's only had one single pullback over here. And never looked back. That's unfortunate. The market gets a little too choppy for me. And I don't feel confident enough to go long again. Like I feel like I messed up. And the last 3 months of that terrible price action does not help. I'm carrying that over on a day like today, where it's like very obvious what you should just be doing, just going long. But unfortunately, the last 3 months have affected my psyche. We're not getting days like this very often, so I'm not expecting it. I'm expecting, today to be like, 95% of the other days. High or low, kicks and giggles, you could try, but it's a silly trade. Like, I didn't go long over here, and why would I go long here? It's even later in trend now. I don't know. The next setup's gonna be could be an hour from now. It's unfortunate. I lost 2 contracts, 10 points. Get a big pullback. Sure. I don't know. 20 EMA. It does touch 20 EMA. Makes a new high. Not yet. Makes a new all-time high. Not yet. Not yet. Still not yet. Very close to making a new all-time high right there. Could be double top. Second entry long now. I don't love it, but whatever, I'll try. It's so late in trends, it's just crazy. If I lose, it's also not a very good setup. It's just a, second entry long coming off the 20 MA. Signal bar is looking horrendous. It's doji bar. I think I got away here. I don't mind missing this little scalp here. It's too risky. Too low probability here. The doji bar doesn't help. The context doesn't help. It needs to have pushed a little further down for me to have been interested in this, actually. Okay. Might be a good skip. Who knows? Could be a good skip. Who knows? Okay. All right. Believe it or not, this actually looks better to go long now. Believe it or not, this actually looks better to go long now. Beneath the 20 MA, no longer interested, right? If it closes beneath the 20 MA like this, I will try here. Most likely we'll reverse to the downside, but we can try regardless. Just because it's so far away from a 20 MA, you're just thinking eventually it's going to push back down. Oh! I'm in. Should I reverse if it fails? Nah, I'll hold. It's fine. Let's take the hit. I've already counted the cost, pandas. I've already counted the cost. I've already counted the cost. We'll take the hit. We will take the hit here.
Target.
I'm coming out break even. The trap trigger. I'm too scared. I'm too scared. I'll take it like this. But because the trap triggered, oh boy. I think I gotta try here. Huh? Oh. Oh. Good break even. Greatest break even of history. Greatest break even in history. I don't know. All right. Fair enough. That's tough. That's tough. I thought I got a good break even. I thought I skunked it. I thought it was a great skunk, but now it's looking to make brand new highs. I don't know. It doesn't close above the previous candle's high. It's a problem for bulls. Big problem for bulls, in my opinion. This is not what you want to see. You do not want to close beneath the previous candle's high here. All right, all right, all right. All right, all right, all right. Ooh. I don't know, pandas. It's having a hard time breaking the previous candle's low. Having a hard time breaking the previous candle's low. Could be bullish. Could be a bullish sign. Having a hard time breaking the previous candle's low right now. Staying above the 20 EMA. It is sus. I will tell you that much, though. Like a pullback here, a reversal here wouldn't be that surprising. It's just a pullback on the higher time frames, which is like healthy in the. Oof. Okay. I mean, you're thinking it's gonna test this low here. The second edge is short. Double key area, second edge is short here. I didn't even think about that, but that's actually a pretty good short. It's a double key area, right? I'm not making this trend line based off here. I'm making this trend line based off this bar and this bar. And it hits it here, so it's a double key area, right? We got a trend line based off these two pivots. Yikes. I missed a good trade, I think. I missed a good short trade. I was a little too like focused on the long, and I didn't think about the short being good there, and it ended up being pretty darn good. I missed it. I do miss that. I do miss that pretty often. It's something that I got to be better at. Finding the double key areas on the reversal, right? The other side, the other trend, right? On a strong bull trend, looking for double key areas to go short. I miss that often because I'm so focused on one direction. I'm not looking for like double key areas going the other way, but I think I need to be more attuned to that and just be more aware of it. Because right there was a good trade. Perfect example of if I was aware of that and anticipating it, then I would have some good bamboo here. I'm curious to see what happens here. Like the 2500 tick chart. Are we going to just... What are we doing here on 2500 tick? What are we doing here? Are we going to do a second entry long off the 20 MA trend line as well? Strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. Let's see if it has follow through. If that's follow through, this could be the beginning of a reversal down to the 20 EMA on the 5-minute. If we get another strong bear bar here, right, that means 2 consecutive bear bars. That could be a signal that we are going to test the 20 EMA. We'll see though. Pretty bearish. Pretty bearish. I think I'll need a fail second edge short here to go long because that is... Yeah, I don't know about that. Cool. It's all good. I mean, seriously, I just... What I would need to go long as a fail second entry short. I cannot go long the other way here. Sitting in my pause, very confused. Am I looking to go short here is a question. Second entry short, double key areas again. First entry. Well, technically, it's a hidden second entry short. It did this A, B, C, but the pullback, the second pullback goes in one candle. So it's actually a second entry short pushing down. Sure. Could try here, but I don't know. Just be a quick scalp. It's a little far away from 20 EMA as well as outside bar reversal. Does make a new low. I don't love it, but there's a scalp to be made here. The second entry long was sus. It didn't really come off the trend line. Or it came off the trend line, but it didn't come off the 20 MA, and it's a bad signal bar. Now we're actually off the 20 MA, and now we got two bear bars on the 5-minute chart, which could be signs of this coming back to the 20 MA here. You got a spike in channel here on the 5-minute chart. So this could come back down to the bottom of the channel, which is pretty much will be aligned with the 20 MA, I feel like. Close to there. Am I looking for a long or short trade, pandas? This is tough. The 2500 tick chart's not making it easy for me to go short yet, because we're right on the 20 MA here. 500 tick chart. Feels like entry long. Interesting. Already happens with a new low. I mean, this could really push, but I don't know. It's far away from 20 MA and Very choppy right now. 5 overlapping bars in a row. And one of them is an outside bar. It's even more confusing. As long as we're beneath the 20 EMA, it's hard for me to go long. Is the uptrend over, pandas? Possibly. We're in 6 overlapping bars in a row. Just sitting here, pause. I mean, this could break down, but it's hard to time. I personally think the market's waiting. It's waiting for something. Market's waiting for something right now. Or we can just flush here. Who knows? Problem for me to go short is that the 20 EMA here could act as support. I don't mind going short based off the 5-minute chart actually. Right, did 2 bear bars in a row, and this bear bar closes beneath this bear bar. So, it's breakout area. It's it's breaking out. The limit order bulls cannot bring it back up. To me, this is 7 overlapping bars in a row. 8 overlapping bars in a row. It's just grinding to the downside. I can't take this. I can't trade anything here. It's just it's too ugly. All intents and purposes, 9 overlapping bars in a row. Sitting in my pause. Limit order market. Okay. Possibly something here. But gotta wait. Break above the 20 EMA. We need to break above the trend line. Probably breakout retest. It's just a test off the 20 EMA. Limit order market. People just selling at the top of this chop. People selling at the top of the chop. Big bear bar ending on its low. Doesn't mean much right now. I do not know. Man, freestyle today. Top of the chop. Candle ending on its low. Where it's gonna go, I do not know. Goodness gracious, what's wrong with me today? I'm just rhyming my mind off. What's going on? I will go short here. I think I will try to go short here, even in this chop slop. Choppity dap dap. We got 3 bear bars in a row now on the 5-minute chart. It just makes me feel like this is bearish. That's not good. All right. That wasn't good. Like froze. I'm thinking about going short here, but I'm not in any rush. Yeah, it's a pushing down. I was thinking about going short right here, but no rush. No rush, pandas. Just watching this go, grinding to the downside. What you can do. Um, there's a give up bar soon. There's gonna be a give up bar soon. There should be a give up bar starting to form. Like I said, the two bear bars on the 5-minute chart, especially closing beneath the previous candle's low right here, this could signal a reversal back down to the 20 MA to the bottom of the channel. And it certainly is doing that right now. The hard part is the time to get in because the 500 tick chart, it was just super choppy. So, I don't know. It's hard a time to get in this downtrend right now. You just had like 9 overlapping bars here. And then you got a fail second entry long. I was thinking about going short here. But I was thinking also maybe 5 minutes looking for a pullback, for a two-legged pullback back to the 20 MA, possibly. Look at this grind. It's just every bar's overlapping. Even though it's making lower highs, lower lows, it's still every bar's overlapping. Quite insane. It's a limit order market. If you recognize the limit order market, then you're best off trying to get in the market with a limit order. It's breaking to the upside now. I would like one more trade, but I'm not gonna force anything here. I'm also happy with just my 275 today. It's fine with me. Day trader jumping in the chat. The Knicks in the finals. Can you believe it? When's the last time they were in the finals? Like a million years, something like that? Since the beginning of time? When was the last time the Knicks were in the finals? My goodness. $19.99? Are you joking? Is that a real stat? The 99's best song era. The 90s, I think, really did have the best song. The best hip hop, at least, in my opinion. Hip hop has gone down the drain. But hip hop in the 90s, that is just. Give me my second entry short. Please give me an entry or something. I don't know. Give me a second entry short here. I'll try. That'll be my last trade, most likely. All right, cool. Here we go. I don't like the amount of risk. There's a lot of risk on this trade, actually. It's a little far away from 20 MA as well to enter this trade. And it immediately pushes to the downside. I'm thinking a little bit of follow through on that bear bar. Could be wrong. I was thinking about a little bit of follow through on that bear bar. Could be wrong though. Takes me out break even, all good. There's a strong bear bar, no follow through. So, I should have suspected that with the choppiness today. And then pushes down after takes me out break even. I mean, that's just the MO here. Modus operandum. Yeah, so strong bear bar as low, and then no follow through, right? Just retraces back up, takes you up break even, and then it pushes down after it retraces, takes you out. It does that a lot. I mean, why does it do that? Scalpers are here taking their profits, makes it come out break even. Yeah, that was a give up move. That was a second entry short I was looking for, and fortunately, it just takes me out break even. It's just the reason why I moved it break even because I made the 1-to-1, I believe. It didn't make the 1-to-1. Maybe if I had this measurement up, I would have held and looked for the 1-to-1 at least. And I could have got that 1-to-2. I've been happy with the 1-to-2 right there. Golly. Cool. It was a nice push to the downside, which I missed. Very cool, very cool. Are we looking to go long still? I don't know. It's another second just short, but after massive bull move, this is probably enough to get to a new high. Let's see. Possibly not. Thinking new high. If not, then it's a quick loss. It'll be a quick loss, I think, here. Yeah, quick loss. Okay, fair enough. Take the quick hit, move on. There's a small risk there. Yeah, not even 10.8 points, 9 points. Maybe test a previous all-time high here. Okay. Okay. What in the world? Just watching. I don't know. It looks like he wants to push to the downside, but I have no clue. All right, and it's against your short here. Terrible signal bar, but looks prime for another push down. Could be completely wrong here. Could be completely out of my mind trying this, but it's an ugly signal bar. I would skip it alone on the signal bar. Signal bar alone would make me skip this trade. What? I don't know what to do here. I don't know what to do. It's a triangle. Bull bar. Oh. What is that? I don't know, pandas. Missed too many good trades. I hate it. Pushing up. If I was like I just short, I'll try whatever. Ooh. Maybe second just short was a good trade there. Definitely can't go long now. It's a terrible signal bar. Really terrible signal bar. Lower high, I'll try. Give me a lower high and I'll try go short. Trying. Trying. Are we in a juicer here? Possible juicer. It's unfortunate. I'm gonna get stopped at break even. Again, unfortunately, every time, pandas. Every time I get stopped at break even, pandas. It's incredible. It's absolutely incredible. It's absolutely just ridiculous. I wait for it to hit my key area. I missed it by less than 1 point, and reverse back up. Took me at break even. Whatever. I don't know. I missed it. I missed my key area, pandas. I missed it. I missed my target. Missed it by 1 point. I'm holding it once I see this. I'm holding it to wait for it to hit, and it reversed and took me at break even. Whatever. Like, what can you do? It's just ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. What can you do about it? Nothing. It's just what it is. Oh! So frustrating, Panda. So frustrating. Missed the key area by a point. Missed the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart by a point. What do? I have to. I'm holding it till it touches it, right? I'm not gonna not hold it for 1 point. It's ridiculous. It just happens all the time. It happens too many times. Key areas get front run so often. It's the norm now. Whatever. Panda's what can you do about it? I gotta do what I think makes the most sense. What's the highest probability of things, and I don't regret it. It is what it is. Whew, it's frustrating though. I'll tell you that much. It's very frustrating. It's just incredibly frustrating. You missed your target by a point like that. So dumb. It's just so stupid, pandas. I'm telling you, it's just so stupid. So dumb. Missing your target by a point like that is just the dumbest thing ever. Seriously, so stupid. It's so frustrating. So incredibly frustrating. And that's a deep pullback. It might touch it now, but I had a deep pullback first. I'm not holding through this whole pullback. Look at this. It just has a pullback for no reason. It just comes back up. Comes back down to where I want it to go. A pullback is really deep. I'm not holding through all this. I just come out break even here. It's all good. Very all good. You know what I mean? It's ultra all good. It's just super all good, pandas. I love it. It's just all good, pandas. You know what I mean? It's all good, pandas. No stress, pandas. All good. Alright, I'll try one more time, whatever. If I miss it here, I miss it here. It's all good. It is what it is. I'll take a little itty bitty micro scalp here, or whatever. Still misses it. It misses it even less than a point here now. It missed it in less than a point this time. Very cool. Very cool. Very, very cool stuff. Very cool stuff. I'm losing my mind here. Is it going to miss it altogether?
Target filled.
Wow. Wow, I made some money. Wow. Incredible. I made some money. Wow. I made $10. Wow. My goodness, pandas. The market is just being diabolical. Look at the 5-minute chart. Look at all these wicks forming here. I mean, I'm thinking going along soon. It's just ridiculous. You missed the target by 1 point. I had how much jeez. Probably had $800 there. I probably $800 up right there and just reversed on me. It's just so stupid. So dumb, pandas. So dumb, pandas. So dumb. This market's becoming so stupid right now. It is basically full blown R word. It's the R word. Full blown R word right now. It's just super I'm telling you right now, this is the most neurodivergent market I have. It's becoming super neurodivergent, full neurodivergent right now, full blown neurodivergent. Like, I want to go long here. I actually want to go long here. What is this? Why's the market being so stupid? Why is it being so stupid right now? Oh my goodness. How stupid can you get? How stupid can the market get right now? This is all so stupid. Neurodivergent to the max. What can I say? To the max. Miraculously, the 5 minute touched the 20 EMA just quite perfectly. I guess this is where I go long. I am ready to go long, pandas. I am very ready to go long. I had 800 in the bag here and vanished. One pullback. Sick. Missed it by 1 point. My target. Sick. So dumb. So incredibly dumb. Whoo! I guess I'm trying to go long, but pandas like could turn to a trading range. Who knows? Okay. It's like having a hard time breaking above this pivot high. It's like a trading range. Or it could be double top. A double bottom turns to a double top. Every double bottom has a potential turn to a double top. Every double top has potential turn to a double bottom. If it didn't, then of course, then you literally trade every double bottom or double top, and you'd always make money. Okay. So we didn't quite get back to the bottom of this trading range. Okay. Second just short. Looks like we're gonna get to the bottom trading range now. I think. So stupid. Okay, we hit the bottom of the trading range. Could be double top. Could push down pretty hard here. Let's see what happens. I don't know, man. That's what I do. How do I make money? I want to know how to make money here. That's all I care about. How do I make money right now? Do I go long here back to the trading range? Or do I look for the really good risk reward trade to go short? Knowing how many times it bounced off here, I think I'm going to try to go long back to the top of this trading range. It just found so much support here. It's incredible. I missed a buy point here. Finally touched it and then went down a little bit lower and just got right back up. It's just too much support here, in my opinion. We're going to take on a failed trap here. It's breaking down. Strong bear bar ending on its low. No longer interested in this long. They found so much support here, Pandas. Like, not sure. 5-minute chart. Could be coming back to test the bottom of the spiking channel. Or the bottom of the channel of the spiking channel. You have a spike and channel. It could also just be carrying a second entry long on the 5-minute chart as well. To me, this would be a failed second entry short setup on the 500 tick chart, which would probably trigger the second entry long on the 5-minute chart, which could be a huge push to the upside. Huge push to the upside. But this 5-minute chart, the way it looks, man, that's rough. That's rough. It's it's basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 out of the last 10 bars were bear bars. It's a lot of bear bars, man. It's like making me so confused. I don't know what to do here. I want to send it, but don't think I'm going to have opportunity to. The fail second entry long on the 5-minute chart could also be a good setup to go short. We may get it. We may get it. My goodness, we may get it. Fail second entry short on the 500 tick chart. We may get it here. There's problems with this second entry short. It doesn't overshoot. Sorry, an undershoot here. It's an undershoot here. It's problems going short here. It's looking better and better for a failed second entry short. That strong bull bar, it primes it up for a failed second entry short here, closing above the 20 MA like that. We got a juicy failed second entry short here, Pandas. Shall we dance? Shall we dance? I think I gotta go double. I think I gotta try the double whammy here. We're gonna try, Pandas, one time. Let's go. Am I in? Am I in? The trade got messed up, pandas. The trade actually got messed up there. One more time, I'll try. Here we go. Oh. Oh! Whoops! That was not good. That was not good. That was not good at all. I made a boo-boo, pandas. I made a boo-boo. I went too early into that one. I got in too early on that one, pandas. I made a boo-boo. Sorry about that. I got way too early in that one. Yeah, I'm going to pay for it, I think, here. We'll see, though. We'll see. Maybe not. We still have a chance to get a good setup here. Well, let's see what happens. Okay, we're in. We're toast. We're cooked, I think. I think we're cooked here. We're absolutely cooked here, yeah. Too many bear bars in a row. I think we're cooked here. Well, you can't blame me for trying, yeah. You can't blame me for trying. We're cooked. You can't blame me for trying. Strong bear right now is low. We're dead. You can't blame me for trying. I tried. Should I reverse it to go short? I don't want to get hit double here. But you can't blame me for trying. You know, it's a second entry long on the 5-minute chart. Failed second entry short on the 500 tick chart. Had a couple of things going for us here. I could let this candle finish, but it looks brutal. It could be brutal here. It could be big time pain if it pushes down hard. So I'm just going to let it go and take hit. Yeah. I tried. I was really patient for that too, pandas. The 5-minute fails second entry long, it fails. Too many bear bars in a row. And yeah, I paid the price. I was up. I was like up $1,000 today too. I was making good bamboo today too, and it just got very choppy. I should have stopped trading. Once I started seeing all this, I should have stopped trading. Like, it just got very choppy after that. It's got very ugly after that. Man, this is super frustrating. Super frustrating. I'm telling you, this is very frustrating. It all started because it missed my freaking target here by a point, and I just got super like, I'm getting like. You know, honestly, it's not a bad trade, right? Coming back to the top of the trading range as well. It's not a bad trade. I tried. Maybe I took too much risk there trying to trade it off the 5-minute chart. Right? I took the second entry long off the 5-minute chart thinking, you know, I'll just use this as my risk. End up being big pain. End up risking 31 points on that trade, unfortunately. Super annoying, super frustrating, but it is what it is. That's trading for you. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. And, told me, did Apex raise their prices again? Yep. Super annoying. They raised their prices by like $100. And so I don't know. There's gonna be a point in time where people stop trading Apex. Like, they're gonna have to learn eventually. Like, their pricing and their product is not that good anymore. They're gonna have to learn eventually, and the only way to learn is by boycotting. So, pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Hopefully, better trade than this. It was good, and then became absolute just disgusting afterwards, and it is what it is. So, fans, I'll see you guys bright tomorrow. As always, I'm sure you guys. Bye.